All right, how to make a sandwich. Get 1 slice of ham. Number 2, get barbecue sauce. Number 3, get 1 slice of cheese. Number 4, get 1 slice of lettuce. Number 5, get 2 pieces of bread. Number 6, get 2 pickles. Number 7, you have got a sandwich. All right, how to make a sandwich. Step 1, 2 slices of bread. Step 2, Nutella. Step 3, sprinkles. Put 1 slice of bread on the table. Then spread the butter on the bread. Oh, I haven't got any butter. Spread butter on the bread. Okay. Then spread the Nutella on. Then put the sprinkles on. How to make a fat sandwich. Step 1, grab a fat piece of bread and slap it on a chopping board. Step 2, grab a jar of jam and slap it on, and bottle of, and do the same for the peanut butter. Warning, make sure it doesn't break. Then slap your last piece of bread and done. How to make a sandwich. 1, first step, you get 2 pieces of bread. Then get butter, Nutella and a knife. Then you spread butter on the bread and then spread the Nutella on the bread. Guess I'll use the knife. Number 4, you need to put the 2 pieces of bread together. Sandwich. How to make a sandwich. Step 1, get out some bread, Nutella, sprinkles, and a toaster. Open up the toaster, get out 2 pieces of bread and put them in the toaster and toast it. When the bread is toasted, take it out and put it on a plate. Open up the Nutella lid and get a knife and put Nutella on it. Then put the Nutella on both pieces of the bread. Get the sprinkles and then twist the lid and sprinkle them on the bread. Get a knife and put the bread pieces together and then cut them and you're done.